These are the screenshots of the $111 given by this broker as a no deposit bonus. So I'm just going to show you how to receive the no deposit bonus, the withdrawal terms and conditions, and all the information that you may need to learn from this no deposit bonus provided by the broker. As you can see, I'm going to start from the beginning here. The name of the broker is Headway. This is the name of the broker, Headway, and it's giving away $111 Forex No Deposit bonus, and it's also called the welcome bonus, if you can say that. And I don't want to read a whole lot of information here because they are really not meaningful to us. But what they want you to do, just want you to sign up on the broker and create an account there. So I'm gonna give you the details that you need to follow. They are offering 3 types of accounts, namely the standard, the Cent account, the standard, and also the pro account. So those are the just information in case you're gonna use this broker as one of your best trading brokers on the world. So as you can see, right, let's just read the information. So they are saying that 7 days after the bonus is created, then it will expire after claim after 7 days. So 7 days after the bonus is created and you did not trade, then the bonus will expire. It's limited quota. They didn't mention for how long this will last, but so far it's still available as the broker is currently new. So the type of account is account bonus, which is MT47 multi-rate real. So that's the account type for the 111 no deposit bonus. The maximum leverage is 1 to 2,000. So let's start. All you have to do actually first is just to register on the Headway broker. I'm gonna provide the link down in the comment. If you didn't find out, just comment so I can drop it as a reply on your comment. So bonus claim. Please log in and claim your bonus by going on the dashboard of the broker, by selecting open a bonus account. So obviously it's gonna be there on the dashboard, and also once you create open account, accept the terms and conditions, accounts are automatically created and bonuses are created automatically. So they are not asking you to verify your information here. And as you can see, I don't want to zoom in, but you can see the dashboard, a free margin which is $111, and the bonus is shown on MT4 just like this. This is a real example from a real person who received the bonus, and they did not specify which countries are available. So what I'm recommending you to do is probably just go on the broker and message them before you create an account there, or otherwise it's probably available worldwide. So the bonus cannot be withdrawn, but all profits can be withdrawn according to the terms and conditions. The bonus is 111 menu, which is $1. One lot is equal to $3. So you can withdraw as much money as you want, depending that you are trading using one lot is equal to $3, which is a bit crazy, but yeah, it's doable for people who really want to make some amount from these no deposit bonuses. Then they can just trade with this $111 no deposit bonus, and they can scale it. And they can make more from it. Promotion can only be claimed once. The maximum number of open positions, the maximum number of open positions are 1,000, which is crazy. You can open up to 1,000 in instruments and everything. So you can trade forex, you can trade metals, cryptocurrencies, and there's no limit to what you can trade right here. Promotion may change anytime, is the rule of all the time. So you can see the broker is new. I have read about the broker. It's new, and you can see this is the address, the physical address of the broker. It's in South Africa, and the regulation information, registration number is right here, 2021, and the address is right here. And you can see information indicated right here.